What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be installing a door sweep on our door. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor and go ahead and click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. I do a lot of these household and automotive projects. Alright guys, let's get to it. Okay, now if you have any sort of gap at the bottom of your door where it meets the threshold, you're going to want to install a door sweep, or else you're just going to be wasting heat during the winter and air conditioning during the summer, as well as insects can just crawl right under, and if the gap's big enough, even a mouse can go right through that. Okay, so do we install it on the outside of the door or the inside? Well, if your door swings into your house, you're going to want to install it on the inside of the bottom door edge. And if your door swings outside, you're going to want to install it on the outside. So if it swings in, it's on the in. If it swings out, it's on the out. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and measure the width of the door. Plus we're going to add if there's any gap on each side of the door. So today we're just going to be using this basic door sweep from Frost King. Just looks like this. It has the little rubber on the bottom and it's got a little metal aluminum frame. Let's go ahead and measure just from the metal frame. Let's leave this little extra flap. That'll cover our gap. Now all we need to cut it is a regular old hacksaw. Now we're just going to cut through the metal part. Stop when you get to the vinyl plastic at the bottom. Actually, before you cut it, go ahead and you can just pull this vinyl down and pull it back so that when you make the cut you don't accidentally damage this. Now we can cut the rubber, and you want to cut it just about 1/4 inch longer than the metal frame, just with some scissors. Alright, now let's go ahead and dry fit it and mark our holes. Now despite its name sweep, you don't want to install it so low that it drags on the floor and sweeps. It just needs to come in contact with the threshold and make a nice seal there. So we'll go ahead and just mark our holes. Now using a small bit, we're going to go ahead and pre-drill those holes. Then we can go ahead and screw in the screws. You can use a hand screwdriver to do this as well. Don't do it all the way yet. We'll just put them in loosely first, so then we can do the final adjustment. Now let's go ahead and open the door and pull it down, then shut the door, and then see we're getting that nice seal. Adjust it to where you're happy, and then we'll go ahead and tighten it fully down. There we go. Alright, now we've got a nice tight seal, no more drafts or wasted energy or letting in the pests. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.